So hi friends, hope you are all doing well and you receive your DOGS token in your exchanges. So now I am going to share a tutorial about how you can sell your tokens and what is the way in which you can sell your tokens. So this is the Bitget exchange. Now I am explaining within it. So all the exchanges have the same procedure. You have to do the same procedure for also that. Now I am going to DOGS USDT pair. When I click on it, there is no data to show. They said 6 or left for trading. If I click on trade, so that's the interface is showing. So there is no data because the trading is not start. So I am going to tell you these are steps in Notecoin because it's listed. So now I am going to Notecoin. Now I am going to click on same trade and you can see this trade is open. And what you have to do, you have to click on sell, and here is we have multiple options, but we will choose two only. One is limit and second is market. Now I am going to explain what is limit order. So if you think that the price will be reached to 0.01 and you want to sell within this price, so what you have to do, you have to click on this and write your price, and after that you will have to select your quantity and then sell and click on sell. So this is the first way you can sell your dogs token on your price. So this is the limit order. If you think that dogs pumps 0.005, then you have to click on this again, and here you have to write down 0.005. So again you have to select your quantity and then again sell. Hope you understand. Now I am going to tell you about market. I am going to market, and you can see this is the market data. If I choose market, then my tokens will be sell at the market price. For example, the market price is 0.00961, and I choose the quantity and sell my token. So I explain about two steps that you can sell your tokens. First is limit order and the second is market. In limit order, what you have to do, you have, if you think that dog price will be make ATH of 0.0015, then you have to simply click on 0. You have to select the price 0.005, and when the price is reached to this price, your token will be sold automatically. And the second one I told you about, that is market, that if you choose this, then your token will be sold on the market price, no matter what the price is. If the price is 0.0001, then your token will be sold immediately. So that's all about how you can sell your tokens. Now I am going to Binance, and here you can see there is no option of trading. So before listing, you will see trading on not dogs USDT. So again, I am going to Notecoin, and you can see trading section, and I will explain also there. So I am going to Node USDT. All the procedure are same, and this is the limit order, and the second one is market. So you have to again select your price in which you want to sell your dogs token, and this is the market option where you can sell your dogs token within the market price. So I am again telling you that you have to do with it dogs coin, and I take an example of Node USDT. The trading section will be open before listing, so you have to do all these things with dogs coin. Hope you understand. If you like our channel and video, please don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.